Welcome. Today we're diving into MetaMask, one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets and gateways to decentralized apps. Whether you're into DeFi, NFTs, or just want a secure way to manage your crypto, MetaMask has you covered. Let's break down everything you need to know. 1. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet and gateway to blockchain applications. Initially launched as a browser extension in 2016, MetaMask has since evolved into both a mobile app and browser-based tool. It enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other decentralized networks by managing their private keys and facilitating the storage and transfer of digital assets. Whether you're sending ETH, buying NFTs, or accessing decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, MetaMask acts as your all-in-one crypto wallet. 2. Key features of MetaMask. MetaMask is more than just a crypto wallet, it's a powerful tool for interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. Some key features include the ability to store multiple cryptocurrencies, not just Ethereum. You can also connect to various blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain or Polygon. MetaMask is often used to access DeFi platforms, where users can lend, borrow, or trade assets without intermediaries. Additionally, it supports the storage and trading of NFTs, making it a popular wallet for those participating in the rapidly growing NFT space. Its built-in exchange allows users to swap tokens directly from the wallet, adding a layer of convenience for those who want to trade without leaving the app. 3. Security and privacy. MetaMask places a strong emphasis on security and user control. Unlike centralized exchanges, where your private keys are managed by the platform, MetaMask gives you full ownership of your private keys, meaning you're the only one who has access to your funds. However, this also means that losing your private keys or seed phrase could result in the permanent loss of your assets. MetaMask uses secure password encryption and supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor for added security. Users should also be cautious of phishing attempts, as MetaMask interacts with web applications. Always double-check the URLs you're visiting, and ensure you're connected to legitimate sites. 4. Setting up and using MetaMask. Setting up MetaMask is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. You can download the browser extension or mobile app, create a new wallet, and securely store your seed phrase, which is crucial for recovering your account. Once set up, you can fund your wallet by transferring crypto from an exchange or by purchasing ETH directly within MetaMask via third-party providers. Using MetaMask to interact with dApps is simple. Just connect your wallet to the site, and you can start engaging in decentralized activities like trading tokens, participating in governance, or staking assets. The user-friendly interface makes navigating the complex world of crypto much easier for both new and experienced users. 5. MetaMask in DeFi and beyond. MetaMask has become a central player in the decentralized finance ecosystem. By using MetaMask, users can access a wide variety of DeFi platforms, such as decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and yield farming protocols. This enables users to trade, borrow, lend, and earn interest on their crypto assets without relying on traditional financial institutions. Beyond DeFi, MetaMask has expanded into the world of NFTs and blockchain gaming. With just a few clicks, users can buy, sell, and showcase NFTs or participate in blockchain-based games, making MetaMask a versatile tool for anyone interested in exploring the full range of possibilities in the blockchain space. And that's a wrap. MetaMask is a game changer in the world of crypto, offering both security and accessibility to decentralized finance and beyond. If you're ready to dive into the world of blockchain and need a tool that offers flexibility and control, MetaMask is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights.